Lesson 56, 30, 60, 90 triangles. Right triangles. Okay, so 30, 60, 90 right triangles are just special right triangles. The 30-degree angle, of course, is across from the shorter side. The shorter leg. They have proportion where if the shorter leg is the length of x, then the hypotenuse will be 2 times x, and the longer leg will be x times root 3. So, for example, if we knew the shorter side of a 30, 60, 90 was 2, then the hypotenuse would be 4, and the long leg would be 2 root 3. So we say that the proportion is 1 to root 3 to 2. The square root of 3 is approximately 1 73/100. This would be just an approximation, and then the square root of 3 would be an exact value. So if we had a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and the short side was x, the long side was y, and the long leg was 5. If we want to find x and y, we would use our proportions. We would say x to 5, equals 1 to square root of 3. So then we could cross multiply and say square root of 3 times x equals 5, divide by root 3, and then rationalize the denominator, and we get x equals 5 square root 3 divided by 3. So I don't know if you remember in the 45, 45, 90 when we did multiply by square root of 2 over 2. Same thing if you know the long side. The long leg, you can find the short leg by just multiplying by square root of 3 over 3. And then to find y, we just double or times this by 2. So it's 10 square root of 3 divided by 3. And that would be your x and your y. That's the end of the lesson.